Hold on, this is your parachutist warming up, is it?
Yeah, he's got to, you know, give me 10.
You could make a tortoise, couldn't you?
Well, do you know, I've always wanted one.
Two.
Only a couple of weeks ago, I saw it on Facebook. One's become commercially available, a kit, and I bought one. It's not cheap, mind you. It's 260 quid.
Yeah, well, this is an old one. This is a Robbe one from.
Oh, Robbe, yeah.
Yeah, from the mid '90s, late '80s type thing. So I've had him for years.
He's not had a bad drop yet.
He's still alive.
Oh yeah, look
He's
at his
still
face.
alive. Oh dear, I don't like that expression on his face.
He didn't used to have that expression. He used to launch him from the helicopter, and then sometimes the parachute goes through his face. But I just glued his feet on again because he had a bad drop last week.
Oh, did he? Poor chap.
He's back together.
Trip to Brumfield Hospital, was it? Casualty.
Drop him from a very expensive DJI drone.
It's my spare, expensive DJI drone.
What height do you release him from?
400 foot.
And does he free fall?
You can have him free fall because you can open the chute at any point, so
Yeah.
you can have him free fall. If we were in an AIP, which we were at Buckminster, you can take him higher, but with a multi-rotor you're only allowed 400 foot, so it's set on the drone.
Yes.
But I got permission to go higher, but I tried to go higher above the 400 foot and change the height while I was in flight, and you won't do it in flight.
Oh.
So we dropped him from 400 foot, but I packed the chute a bit too tight.
Oh.
And it opened about 2 foot below ground. So, yeah, they do bounce. I'm just going to do a quick test flight with this. I don't know if they're going to be all right.
Yep.
So the drop's all controlled from the Charlie transmitter. And I've got a release mechanism. So the servo's on the drone that drops him.
Yep.
And then you've got the switch to open the parachute.
Right.
As a separate channel. But I'm just waiting. It's height mode 2. And then it's flare. To release him, you pull that one, that's it, that'll hold it. And then you can flick or hold that one because I've got it on a delay now. That one won't
Brett's
operate
getting his
until this
instructions
one.
on how to control the parachutist.
Don't touch that chip.
So he does steer left and right
Just left and right. Yeah.
and flare, both arms going forwards, and release of the parachute, obviously, because it can free fall.
Okay, wait. Drop him into open the chute.
So he's going to take it up to 400 feet on the DJI Inspire.
Yes, it, yeah. We can do a test drop here if you want. But I think we shouldn't waste any drops. Left to drop, right to open the chute. Yeah, right. But you can pull them both at the same time if you want. No, I want you the other way. Alright, let's step back a little bit because actually I'll just move it forward a bit. Yeah. Coming this way.
Actually, disconnect from my monopod.
Yeah, I'm just going to do a test over and check controls. That was good. Take off. I'll get the battery up to temperature a bit. Bye.
He's actually talking.
I've just got to confirm my flight. Right, I'm going to go forward. I'm just going to go straight up and forward. Yeah. I've just got to take it slow because the batteries are still cold. And if I ask you to release, just pull the left switch. If you hear anything battery warning, just pull both switches.
Alright.
The first
full bore. Is it full bore already, Dennis? Flat out, are we?
No, not flat out because I don't want to. Because the batteries are cold. If I go flat out, it'll tell me. go forward a bit more, yeah. We've got open field. I'd rather land in the open field than on the helicopters behind us.
You'll give us a countdown to release, will you?
Yeah. All right, are we ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. And open.
Oh, lovely.
Well, he's going from, yeah, that's it, you've got him, haven't you? I'm going to come in and land from our left. Yeah, just hold him into wind or spiral him.
Right in front of us, Brett.
That's a good flight.
Oh, brilliant.
Hey! Right, I'm going to come and land the drone.
Much harder than flying a helicopter.
Actually, the distance wasn't bad, was it?
No, I think it could have been out a bit further.
Yeah.
There's a wind carrying it, I think it could have been a bit further.
There's one way to find out, isn't there? Right. So you're giving them on the go?
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's alright?
You did good, yeah.
Well done, Brett.
Oh, gorgeous.
Oh, yeah, because I filled it with silicon.
Can't see much from here.
Is that what it is?
Yeah,
I'm not a winter man, I start.
Is he footless?
yeah.
Oh dear.
Oh, because it's probably not set off because I only did it last night.
I've got some super glue, but it's a bit.
I'll fly him without his foot.
Cheers, Brett. Stick that in the fully car pack.
Oh, I can't fly him without his foot because the hook goes into it, doesn't it?
Yeah, alright, I'll catch you later.
All right, are we ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. And open.
Oh, lovely.
Well, he's going from, yeah, that's it, you've got him, haven't you? That's a good flight.
Oh, brilliant.
Hey! Right, I'm going to come and